Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the General Science Exam? This is Praxis test code 5436. Praxis 5436 is a general science exam with several subtopics. This problem set covers the category of Earth and space science. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. Which of the following types of stars are the largest in mass? Supergiant stars, the Sun, brown dwarf stars, or giant stars? Brown dwarfs are the smallest in mass among stars, so we can just cross that out. The Sun, a main sequence star, is more massive than brown dwarfs, but average in size and mass compared to other stars, so this is not correct either. Giant stars are larger and more massive than the Sun, but not the largest, so we can eliminate that also. Supergiant stars are the most massive, far exceeding giant stars and the Sun. They have a short lifespan and end in spectacular supernova explosions. Therefore, supergiant stars is the correct answer. Problem number 2. Which of the following moon phases occurs after the new moon? Waxing crescent, full moon, first quarter, or waning gibbous? The full moon, occurring when the moon is fully illuminated, happens halfway through the lunar cycle. So let's eliminate that. The first quarter moon, when half of the moon is visible, appears about a week after the new moon. So we can cross that out also. The waning gibbous phase follows the full moon as the moon's illumination decreases. So this is also incorrect. The waxing crescent phase, where a small sliver of the moon becomes visible and gradually increases in illumination, directly follows the new moon. Therefore, waxing crescent is the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following types of islands are formed because of sediments or rocks? Barrier islands, artificial islands, tidal islands, or volcanic islands? Volcanic islands form from erupting magma, not sediments or rocks. So we can cross that out. Artificial islands are man-made from materials like sand and concrete, so we can also cross that out. Tidal islands are connected to the mainland and only appear as islands at high tide. So we can also eliminate that. Barrier islands, on the other hand, formed from sediments carried by ocean currents, waves, and tides, and are the correct type of islands formed from sediments or rocks. Therefore, barrier islands is the correct answer. Problem number 4. According to the processes in the geological timescale to determine age, which of the following describes the age of the rock layers in the Grand Canyon? The layers are spread out randomly, some older and some younger. The oldest layers are at the bottom while the youngest are at the top. The youngest layers are at the bottom while the oldest are at the top. Or all the layers are the same age. The randomness of the layers is incorrect because geological processes follow the law of superposition, with layers deposited in chronological order. So we can eliminate that. The idea that the youngest layers are at the bottom while the oldest are at the top is also incorrect, as it contradicts this principle. So we can cross that out also. All the layers are the same age is inaccurate because sedimentary layers form over different periods. So let's cross that out also. The correct answer here is the oldest layers are at the bottom while the youngest are at the top, aligning with the principle of superposition and helping geologists understand the Earth's geological history. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of Earth and space science for the Praxis 5436 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared on exam day. Bye for now.